Hello everyone. Before I proceed further, people who needs update in Hindi language, click on the link mentioned in the description box. So let's talk about today's market outlook. Market bulls made a smart comeback on Dalal Street today as brisk buying in Reliance Industries, Bajaj Twins, L&T and Infosys helped benchmarks recoup losses. Indices charted gap down amid profit booking with the frontline S&P BSE Sensex and Nifty 50 dropping to lows of 51,936 and 15,606 respectively. However, positive cues from global peers coupled with healthy buying in IT, PSU Bank and select pharma and FMCG counters, which helped the indices end the session in the positive territory. Let's talk about the cash delivery calls updates. Tata Steel was recommended. The target have been already achieved. For Bharat Electricals, avoid unexecuted Bharat Electricals buy call. M&M Finance closed the position buy call stop loss hit. Pfizer closed the position in Pfizer buy call stop loss have already been triggered. HDFC Life Insurance Company and Uflix hold the position in both the companies with the mentioned target and stop loss. Let's talk about the further update for the market outlook. The frontline Sensex index fluctuated 655 points before settling 77 points higher from previous close at 52,551.5 levels. The Nifty 50 index meanwhile settled at 15,812 levels or 0.08%. India Volatility Index rose 4% on NSE today, suggesting high volatility in the markets. In broader markets, BSE MidCap Index ended the day in the red, down 0.7% amid steep losses in Adani Group stocks and BHEL, while the BSE SmallCap Index closed 0.2% lower. Among individual stocks, shares of Adani Group companies rebounded from their respective intraday lows today after the company clarified that a demat account of 3 foreign funds, that is Albula Investment Fund, Cresta Fund and APMS Investment Fund holding shares in group companies are not frozen. Besides, shares of Bharat Heavy Electricals Limited, that is BHEL, slipped 18% to 62.55 rupees on BSE in intraday trade today after the company reported a lower than expected set of numbers for the quarter ended March 2021. Sectorally, the Nifty PSU index ended the day as the top gainer on the NSE, up 1%, while the Nifty Reality Index closed as worst performer, down 1.4%. Let's talk about global markets. So European shares hit a record high today as investors bet on global central banks sticking to an accommodative stance on monetary policy, even as the post-pandemic economic recovery gathers pace. Pan-European stock 600 was up 0.3%. Germany's DAX hit an all-time high, while UK's FTSE 100 scaled its highest since February 2020, ahead of a decision by the government on whether to delay England's reopening from a third national lockdown. In Asia, investors were seen taking a wait-and-see stance ahead of the Federal Reserve's meeting and economic indicators from US and China. Japan's Nikkei gained 0.74% and South Korea's Kospi added 0.09%. China and Australian markets were shut for holidays. Meanwhile, futures of all three main Wall Street indices indicated a positive start later in the day. For more important updates, do like, share and subscribe our 5 Paisa channel. Do not forget to click on bell icon to get timely notifications. Any stock market related queries you can raise in the comment box section. Make your investment journey easy and rewarding with 5 Paisa. Thank you.